my name is Diane Falcon. I am the director with the Housing Authority of the City of Austin. I've worked there 23 years. I also have a job with real estate, with the Group Realty and Investments. I've worked there probably approximately 7 years. My hobbies used to consist of baseball, kickball, just a lot of things. Enjoy just going out dancing. Dancing was one of my big things. I love my family. I love my grandkids. Just like to enjoy life. I've always enjoyed life until something happened. On August 2014, my husband and I decided to go to the outlet store in Round Rock. It was after hours, after the 9 o'clock, because they had closed and we're already locked in. So we go out, we get in the car, we start to drive. We pull out onto the highway going north on 35. And as we pull out north, probably half a mile down, there was a woman's car who was actually on fire. And we were like, oh my God, what are we going to do? How are we going to assist this person? She was pulling things out of her car. Her car went up in flames. So we put the flashers on, slowed down, and was trying to talk to her. In the midst of talking to this person, I told my husband, I looked up in my rearview mirror. When I looked up in the rearview mirror, I said, they're going to hit us. And before they hit us, it was an impact. And at that impact, the car started flipping around. And at that point, that was all I remember at that time. Every day is a day to remember it when I have to do something. Whether it's cooking, picking up my grandkids, my back is in severe pain. But I try to live with it. I pray about it, that I just live my life every day praying that I will just continue to get better through exercises that I do to help my back or whatever I have to do to take care of it. Cushions on my floor in my kitchen to relieve the pain of when I have to cook. So I do what I can to take care of my life, because one of the great things is that I made it through it. I didn't die, but I had to do certain things differently in my life, and I'm okay with that. But it's hard being hit that hard, and the people that hit you pretend like they did nothing wrong, even though they hit you from behind when they weren't paying attention. So my life will go on. I will continue to do what I do, but I fear a lot of times when I drive that someone is going to hit me, because it's a mental thing that I have. Because if you're driving and someone hits you that hard, 70 miles an hour, and mess you up for basically your life, because it's a change no matter what. It's physical, it's mental, it's intimately with your spouse. It changes everything. And I know there's a change, and I have to say there's been a change. And the change is, behind that, I lost my husband through a divorce. So I know that things changed in my life, and I can't get that back now. When I was looking for someone to take care of my case, I looked in the phone book and I found Gober and Reyna. At the time, I was like, first I was skeptical, and I was worried about if they were going to take my case or not, or if things were going to work out. But actually, it was the best thing that I ever did. They helped me so many ways, physically, emotionally. When I was stressed, they would calm me down on the phone many times and tell me, okay, we got this, we're going to take care of it. And they did take care of it. Anytime I made a phone call there, I would get quick information. They would take care of everything for me. They would assure me each time, we're going to take this. Don't worry. We'll take care of you. Whatever you need, give us a call. Whenever I had a question, I got an answer. And I got an answer that day, or within seconds, or within minutes. They would call me back. Maybe I was a very worrisome person. Maybe, I don't know. But however, that company is the best company to go to. I send people to them all the time because, one, I trust them. They're respectful. They understand that people do have problems, people are anxious, people are worried about their cases, but they always get back with you. They trust you, you trust them. And so I give that company a #1 hands up to the company because they're the best that you could ever have.